Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today we want to make an ID card. Let's achieve this ID card design. We'll try to replicate something like this. So first, let's dive in straight without no waste of time. This is the normal size of an ID card we use, around 2.5 by 3.5. Take note of the inches, which is the unit is in inches, as you can see from here. So right now, let me make more emphasis on it again. I said take note of the unit, which is in inches, and then this is the size 2.5 by 3.5. So immediately, so right now, let's dive in straight. Make your rectangle which you want to use, then press P to ensure that it's at the center. And then first of all, you see this color grid here, then that is trying to tell us a cycle. Let's create a cycle like this, and then let's use a color picker here, then pick this color, let's paste on it, and then from here let's create another one. Let's duplicate the ellipse shape, drop, and then let's try to get its color. We have gotten that, and then we'll duplicate again, and then let's select this color and then paste here. Then try to remove its outline. Try to remove this outline. Don't forget the default outline. And then for this and this, we'll still use the same pattern to achieve it in that way. So I think next you drag down copy to this point, and then again you drag to then copy again to this point. Then let's make this one a deeper color. Then let's select 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 of them all. Then come to object here, come to power, click on place inside, and then come to the middle, click inside. You have successfully power click all those objects in. So what we are trying to do, we want to achieve this scenario here. Then let's double click inside and then readjust like this. We are readjusting so that we can have a perfect match for that, and then remove the outline for the main rectangle in that order. Select an ellipse shape like this, drag it in, then we'll try to also achieve this white. Let's give it a white color, and then remove the outline for this. Then hold shift and then drag again. As you see it giving us an idea, and then right click again. It has given us another ellipse, but you can't see the color. Let's change so that you see what we're trying to say. Then let's give it an outline, a default outline. Let's say 3 for the outline, and then right click on any color to give it that particular outline. And then you are particularly seeing this, we're replicating this particular design like this. And then for the back cover, then you can duplicate this one size. This is white, then just allow this one to be in the middle, press P to align. Let's delete it off, duplicate it in the center, and then basically looking at the back cover, this is a circle here, this is a circle here, but at the edge, power clicking, and then from here you see this is another circle which we achieved here, and then the same format we achieved here we also achieved this, and then these are also circles that are there to show illustrations. So that's all. Then let's clear part here. Let's do away with it. Then delete this, delete it off. Then come here, let's do some adjustments. Then from here it remains like that. Click on finish, and then create your circles, your little circles for your illustrations at the back. Duplicate them. I want them to align at the center. You can select all like this and press C, and then give it the color you want to give it. Then remove. Always remember to remove the default outline like that, and then your details can now start coming in. You can first go pick your images, your pictures, or your details that you need for this particular design. Then let's go. I have it all on my let's paste it here. This is an image I got on YouTube during my class. I also study, and this power click, and then this is the resident director, and then this director we can see, let's give it a white color from inside so that we can now see his face very well. And then from here, his name, he's not a graphic designer but a pastor, and then which you can see Pastor Daniel Omar, then resident Pastor RCCG, Control E, and then reduce it to this point, and then Control key like this, and then from here we'll be using Bebas as fonts for the name like this, and then this from here, select it, the main rectangle, and press C for it to align. Then for the default for the font style I use is Montserrat. They call Montserrat. Let's change this. Always endeavor when you are writing portfolios, try to use capital letter or ensure a consistent flow. Then from here you can put your remaining details like that. You can type your details down, and from here, this other section, which is this, you can also type your details that you have, your brand name, and then these details, you can replicate these details here like this. And then if there's a signature, I have a video on signature, how to extract a signature, which you can see. Just search from our YouTube channel. We have a previous video from that, so you can also align them in. So thank you so much, and we'll see you at the top. Don't forget to subscribe for more.